Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William in India. Today, April 5th, 2024, and a clear disclaimer. Please go through it. Okay, so let's start with Nifty 50 setup. It's been really good. Yesterday, there was a high volume, lot of volatility, but at the end of the day, the close was very good. We closed at a new high yesterday after making intraday new high. कल 514 पे बंद हुआ, so that is first time that we close about the 500 level. It's really positive for the market. The momentum has already built up. So I think the most important thing to watch out will be the yesterday's low. So yesterday का low है that and 21 DMA. So the green line, if you see over here, the green line is the 21 DMA, the red line is the 50 DMA. So I think these two levels are very important for shortly for this today or for the next week. The 21 DMA is important, and if you consider for the April series, right, then this level around 22,000 of 50 DMA, the red line is very crucial. I think on the higher side, we are in a blue sky zone, so there is no major resistance now on the upside. But then also you want Nifty to move above its yesterday's high in today's session to make sure that we are in a good uptrend. Now, what's important is we should not close below yesterday's low. अगर yesterday low के नीचे बंद होते हैं, then that there will be some bit of correction we might see at least till 50 DMA. But broadly, the setup is very good, and the fresh buying in Nifty comes once you cross yesterday's high. So जब तक yesterday का high cross नहीं होता, you should be careful today because थोड़ा global market में और Asian market में आज ऊपर नीचे है. ठीक है, तो उसकी वजह से you need to be careful in today's session. Especially yesterday's high and low should be kept as a benchmark, and that's the simple and the best strategy you can go with for the today's session as far as Nifty is concerned. बाकी broader market में भी काफी अच्छा momentum देखने को मिला. Nifty mid cap made a new high. Small cap is moving towards a new high above all key moving average. So there is no two ways in the market about the rally, but yes, 1 to 2% here and there at this height, anytime it can happen, and you need to be ready with it. Now, if you look at the key news, the FIs and the DIs both were net sellers yesterday. The RBI's Monetary Policy Committee is set to announce the interest rate decision today. आज कुछ major rate cut expected नहीं है, बढ़ना तो है ही नहीं, but cut भी expected नहीं है. So it looks like there will be unchanged today, no major change in the policy. But the statement of RBI governor will be important about the forecast of the inflation and the forecast of the growth. क्योंकि देखो ideally we are in a, अगर देखेंगे तो भाई inflation controlled है, सब कुछ stable है, काफी टाइम से कुछ किया नहीं है, तो rate cut on the cards, but it is not there because our ultimate target is around 4% inflation. अभी भी हमारा इन्फ्लेशन अराउंड 5.2 के आजू बाजू घूमता रहता है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ हार्ड won battle by the RBI. We are able to withstand a lot compared to the global market. So I think they will not let the guards down and give some more time for inflation, especially the global inflation as well. अभी इंडिया का देखें तो चलो मान भी लो एक बार 5% थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल हो गवर्नर साहब के लिए, बट ग्लोबल इन्फ्लेशन सप्लाई चेन में अभी भी वो जो थोड़ी थोड़ी दिक्कत है, आई थिंक द आरबीआई विल वेट फॉर द थिंग्स टू गेट क्लियर्ड आउट. नेगेटिव फॉर इंडिया, क्रूड ऑयल $90 के ऊपर चला गया. सो इफ इट सस्टेन्स लाइक 90s में सस्टेन होता है, देन दैट इज नॉट गुड फॉर द इंडिया बिकॉज वी आर net importer, huge importer of crude oil. बाकी तो प्रेस्टीज एस्टेट has acquired 21 acres of land in Whitefield, Bangalore for 450 crore. एक इसमें इंक्लूडेड नहीं, बट बजाज फाइनेंस का Q4 अपडेट आया है. Okay, the AUM growth was very good, 34% YOY basis, while the deposits भी उनका काफी अच्छा 35% ग्रो किया है. अल्ट्राटेक सीमेंट ने 100 मेगावाट का सोलर पावर प्लांट स्टार्ट किया है. Okay, so these were some of the other key news. If you look at global market, there was some jitters. सब कुछ 1% से ज्यादा नीचे है. डाउ S&P नास्डेक. एशियन मार्केट में भी शार्प फॉल इन निकी, while the कॉस्पी is down around 1%. तो SGX निफ्टी कोई इतना नेगेटिव इंडिकेट नहीं कर रहा है. आई थिंक मेजरली ड्यू टू फ्यू लीडिंग स्टॉक्स. ठीक है, जैसे HDFC का कल ADR काफी ऊपर था. सो देर आर फ्यू लीडिंग स्टॉक्स दैट आर लीडिंग द वे, एंड दैट्स व्हाट हेल्पिंग निफ्टी. बट फिर भी आप देखिए, कल F&O लेवल 635 पे बंद हुआ था, 22,635, एंड टुडे the gift nifty is trading around 543. So we are expecting almost 70-80 points of cut, because both are futures level. So comparing to futures level, there is a 70-80 points of cut expected in the morning session. But let's see how we recover from there. तो 22,400 450 की रेंज में क्या हमको सपोर्ट मिल जाता है, और वहां से हम रिबाउंड हो जाएंगे फिर से एंड क्रॉस द 500 अगेन. बट लेट्स सी. बट एट ओपनिंग इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड, लुकिंग एट करंट लेवल, कि 60 70 80 पॉइंट्स के कट के साथ वी माइट ओपन. So chart of the day. So this one looks very interesting to me. So Ipca Lab, a very good base formation over here. While it was forming a base, a good support at 50 DMA. Broadly इसको 50 DMA के नजदीक काफी बार support मिला है अभी. ठीक है. So that's a good stop loss level if someone is in trade according to O'Neill methodology. Okay, and the stock has yesterday breakout, just closed about the pivot, and the volume was very high at the time of breakout. On holding बढ़ रहा है, buyer demand is really good. Okay, last quarter का result काफी अच्छा आया था. So overall, fundamentally, it is improving. Okay, and technically, the stock is very strong, uh, especially the base formation and the clean breakout. That is quite good. But yeah, you just need to do your own research or check with your investment advisor before taking the fresh position. This is just for the information and the knowledge purpose. So last time also the breakout was really good. It went higher, but then it failed to sustain gain. But फिर भी 50 DMA पे support मिल गया था. ऐसा नहीं है कि वहां पे breakdown हुआ था. Then it again made a fresh base, and now it has given a good breakout. So let's see what happens this time. So ideal buy zone according to O'Neill methodology is 0 to 5% from the breakout, and we are 1% up from the breakout point or the pivot zone yesterday. So that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.